Refine and Renew Serum is an AHA stimulating and exfoliating serum, so it does exactly what it says on the tin. We want your skin to be as refined as possible, so we want the pores to be minimised, and we want your skin to renew as much as possible. So by exfoliating, that's on the surface and a deeper level, it causes your skin to form in a more uniform way, and with layers that kind of are nicely being produced in a consistent way. So this is an ideal serum to use at night for people who have combination or oily skins. You can use this if you have sensitive skin, but just be careful. Use one every 2 or 3 days, not every night. For everyone, if you are using this, you absolutely need to use sunscreen during the day. So I like to use 2 pumps, and they are fairly generous pumps. And rather than rubbing all over the hand like a serum, I like to just use my finger and apply in the areas where I need that extra exfoliation. So if you have combined skin, that tends to be the T-zone. So you can see me using it around the nose. This is where people, and myself included, we tend to get blackheads, and also here into the forehead. So 2 pumps is more than enough. There's still plenty of product left. If you have rosacea or any sensitivity, avoid. You can see here it's in the apples of my cheek, so that's why when it comes to my cheek, for anything that contains active ingredients, and this does, it has alpha hydroxy acid, it also has a beta hydroxy acid, which is salicylic acid. So please, if you're pregnant and breastfeeding, this is not a suitable serum for you to use. And then we leave alone. You have a nice glow. I'd strongly recommend you use this after cleansing during the night. I don't think you need to use it twice a day. Once a day at night is plenty. And I've got a little bit of a tingly feeling now. So I know there is, there is some activity happening. I am not in a rush to put any more serums on my face. You can use a moisturiser on top, but I just let the tingly feeling go down. That tingly feeling is going to probably last about 2 or 3 minutes.